Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce my name, Amar Ainurido. We are from the PKM 16 group. Here we will explain the project we created entitled Smart Locker as an Internet of Things based laboratory inventory data controller with a security system using fingerprint sensor and face recognition. Here is my team composite of the project manager, namely Mr. Indra Daule, SPD, and Wahyudin Aditya for chairman. And second, this is me, Amar Emrido, and last team, Muhammad Kio Reski.
1. Project description. We made a project based in smart locker using fingerprint sensor and Internet of Things face recognition because I use ESP-CAM32 and Internet of Things and face recognition. And not only that, we'll also use Arduino Uno video sensor to replicate the key to make it easier to open the locker door. Our goal is to make this project to make it easier with bin laboratory item and increase the efficiency and security of laboratory inventory processing. Processing time. Passing. The listing on title. In the first week, we spread of reference on the internet and survey rest determine the title that will be made. Estimation time 1 week. Math chapter 1 and 2. In the second week after determining the title, we made chapter 1 and 2 by looking for reference and material on the internet. Estimation time 1 week. Math chapter 3. In the third and fourth week, the content will making mechanical and electrical design after making board, follower, and marking follow chart of how the project works. Estimation time 2 week. Math chapter 4. In week 5, continue working on chapter 5 and first create other assignments and processing slide, video, poster, and more. Estimation time 1 week.
Bab 2. Theory. Sensor face recognition. Face recognition is a biometric software application that is able to uniquely vary a person by comparing and analyzing patterns based on the contours of the person's face. Sensor fingerprint. The fingerprint sensor is a technological device that has a fairly high security where fingerprint are lines found on the stroke of the hand's finger lines, which are often used for the purpose of recognizing a person's identity that can be accessed by people whose fingerprint have been input into the fingerprint. The last smart locker. Smart locker are a modern and technologically advanced version of traditional lockers, incorporating electronic and digital features to exchange the security, convenience, and comfort. This is component and tools. This is ESP32CAM. This is my controller Arduino. This is sensor fingerprint and locker and LCD display and the last keypad.
Battery. In the electrical design, there are several components used in the system. The first are two microcontrollers, namely ESP32CAM and Arduino Uno, which are connected to I2C communication. ESP32CAM is an Internet of Things based module and also as face recognition. Arduino Uno as E or O. Connection to several components including keypad, OLED, LCD, fingerprint sensor, door lock solenoid, as a recipient of data variance stroke.
Mechanical design. Mechanical design of smart locker by using a locker with size of 1.9 x 38 x 38 cm on the side of the locker. There is acrylic and box with length of 205 x 193 x 140 millimeter. There are two doors at the top for microcontroller and other components. While at the bottom there is power supply. On the front of the top door there is fingerprint sensor, LCD screen, keypad, and ESP32CAM.
Okay, this is flowchart. In the flowchart, there is a mechanism of how the locker works. that we will make a prototype where when it start there will be two sensor options that will be used. After choosing between which sensor will be used to access the locker, then the sensor reads and verifies the user whether the user data is verified or not. If it has been verified and the user is declared valid data, then the OLED will light up and display the locker menu option to be opened. Then after the menu appears on the OLED screen, then use keypad to select switch locker to open. After selecting the menu using the keypad on the screen display in OLED, then the selected door lock will open the locker door according to what was selected using the keypad, and that's how the locker will work.
Division of work. Name Amar Andurino, making electrical design for smart locker, making flowchart of smart locker, work system, making report, and making poster and video. Muhammad Rizki, making mechanical design of smart locker, making PowerPoint express of smart locker, and making poster and video. Wahyu Rian Aditya, making FFF project implementation plan smart locker, making RAB cost budget plan, and making poster and video.
Construct challenge. Create a project idea. The extent of previous research makes it easier of use to find project idea where we develop technology that does not get accepted in previous research. Time contracts of making time are very long due to the lack of coordination between members realization of make project. Obstacle to making a proposal. The obstacle is making proposal are the lack of coordination between member and cooperation. It makes the work take longer of the division of text but not completion quick and optimally.
Okay, the conclusion. The evaluation for the next steps is to create an Internet of Things based application where this application is extended as a locker monitoring and inventory data for borrowing goods at the locker, and also adding technology to detect items taken at the locker. Okay, thank you for your attention from presentation our team. Thank you very much. Good afternoon.